Hello everyone, today is one of the last days I have in London. Today I'm just gonna kind of take it easy. Yesterday we had the pizza party. We stayed up quite late, so I'm a little bit tired. So today, main focus, taking it easy, eating good food, as usual. Probably won't drink tonight, but who knows?
Very layered. So
Sure.
Try your best.
We'll try.
Yeah.
Thank you. So this one is the, is it the sushi burger? Yeah. Okay. And then this one is the goat gnocchi. You want to say hi, Ashley? Hi. Hello, Ashley. We are having lunch at, what's this place called?
Vegan, yes.
Vegan, yes. Korean, Italian, vegan food. Very interesting. Dark chocolate mochi. And a macchiato. Cheers! Ooh. I don't love that texture. I love mochi. Oh, I love London. This is the McPlant. So this is made with Beyond Meat, and it also has vegan cheese and vegan mayo. I know. Amazing. All right, let's give it a go. That really tastes like a McDonald's burger. Like the vegan cheese really reminds me of like McDonald's burger cheese. Of course you gotta get the fries. I can't remember the last time I got McDonald's. Gotcha! I feel like the fries aren't as good as I remember. But the McPlant, there's the Big Ben, you guys. I realized that I have not seen the Big Ben in the evening or like nighttime in a very long time. I realized that even when I lived in London, I almost never saw the Big Ben at night. I was always here like kind of during the day, but I wanted to see it at night, like after sunset. It's just like a mood, you know? It's still kind of light out though because, you know, the days are long right now, but it's looking beautiful. It's nice and peaceful, less people. Bye.